Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking with a must-have tool for any craftsman or DIY enthusiast, the AIFUDA Rubber Roller Brayer. If you're looking for the best glue roller for woodworking, look no further. The AIFUDA Rubber Roller Brayer comes in a set of 3 different sizes: 1.37 inches, 2.36 inches, and 3.93 inches. These versatile rollers are perfect for a wide range of woodworking projects, from intricate detail work to larger surface areas. What sets the AIFUDA Rubber Roller Brayer apart from the rest? Let's start with its smooth surface, which ensures that glue is spread evenly and consistently every time. No more uneven application or messy drips to worry about. Plus, these rollers are built to last. Made with durable and elastic rubber, and featuring a stainless steel frame. The AIFUDA Rubber Roller Brayer is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use in the workshop. And let's not forget about comfort. Each roller is equipped with a plastic grip handle that's easy to hold, even during extended use. With 2 finger points to help adjust rolling direction. You'll have complete control over your woodworking projects. Whether you're applying glue for joinery, veneering, or laminating, the AIFUDA Rubber Roller Brayer is the perfect tool for the job. And with its versatility, you'll find yourself reaching for these rollers time and time again for all your woodworking needs. So if you're ready to take your woodworking to the next level, do yourself a favor and pick up the AIFUDA Rubber Roller Brayer today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy woodworking.